black hole, sun so bright when it burns, so dark when it's done.
Hi guys! Today I'm going to be making Pochita from Chainsaw Man. So let's get started with this tutorial. To start off, I'm using a rectangular piece of memory foam and shaping it into a bean shape for Pochita's body. So the body's all done, and now we're going to move on to the legs. I'm making a simplified version, so for the legs, I'm just going to create these circular shapes. So far we have 4 limbs and the body. Now let's make the chainsaw. And now let's glue all these pieces together with puffy paint. Oops, I accidentally glued these on the wrong side, so let me fix that. And let's continue shaping the handles and the tail. I'm going to glue these pieces together and let it dry for 24 hours. It's the next day, and now we can start painting the squishy. Before moving on to the actual colors, I'm going to paint my base coat with white. For the color of the body, I'm mixing orange, brown, and white to create this brownish orange color. To make this squishy extra slow rising, you want to do at least 3 layers of paint. I made an effort to create a hole for the tail, but I realized it got covered up by the paint. Oh well, I'm just gonna keep moving on. I always mess with the face on camera, so I'm going to fix this real quick off camera, and I'll be back with the final result. Here is the finished Pochita squishy. It turned out super adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!